Hello guys, so I've been up all night here trying to cook something. As you can see, I've tried to cook something. Yeah, so this is it. Life melody. So I'm coming live on Facebook very soon. You guys should follow me up. Follow my Facebook page. Like my Facebook page at Ugo TV, okay? So guys, please like my Facebook page, follow my Facebook page. I'm coming live. You can see the beats, there are many of them. So yeah, so if you want to enjoy all this melody, these beats, you can also get them. You understand? You can inbox me for any of these beats. Like, it's here, it's available. So the whole beats you see here. So I still have many more. You can see. So still available, guys. Working all day to make you guys happy. So like my page, follow my page, and just expect me live on Facebook anytime soon. Okay? So thank you guys.